Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up your wallet for tax reporting in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Setting up your Unstoppable Crypto Wallet for tax reporting involves keeping detailed record for a transaction and ensuring you have the necessary information to comply with tax regulation. First, track all transactions. Unstoppable Crypto Wallet automatically records a transaction, but you will need to ensure you can easily access this data for tax reporting. Open the application and go to the transaction history. Here you will find all the transactions. You can also export the transaction history. Look for the option like export or download transaction history within the wallet settings. Download the file and save it for tax reporting purposes. You can also categorize transactions. You might need to use third-party application or tax software to label this transaction. You can also use a crypto tax software. For easier tax reporting, consider using crypto tax software that integrate with Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Popular crypto tax software include Cointracking, Coinly, Cointracker, or ZenLedger. For each taxable event, you need to calculate capital gain or loss. This involves determining the difference between the purchase price and the selling price. You can also keep record of fees and stay updated on tax regulation. If you are unsure about how to handle your crypto taxes, consider consulting a tax professional who is knowledgeable about cryptocurrency. By following these steps, you can organize your Unstoppable Crypto Wallet for efficient and accurate tax reporting. Properly tracking and reporting a crypto transaction can help you avoid penalties and stay compliant with the tax laws. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.